will demonstrate how to retension the Super Lux roller blind. The tension may be lost when a customer or advisor removes the roller blind from the brackets without reinserting the locking pin. Operate the blind and pull the blind down to its maximum drop. Push the locking pin in. Remove the blind from the brackets. Roll the fabric up the barrel by hand. Ensure you roll the fabric around the barrel correctly. If the fabric is not straight, this could result in fraying of the edges. Reinsert the blind into the brackets. Pull the locking pin out by 2 to 3 mm and operate the blind. You will have to repeat the process again to increase the tension. Follow steps 1 to 7 again and operate the blind as normal. When retensioning in a Super Lux blind, you may hear a clicking noise. This is due to the stop wheel reaching its limit. To continue to retension, you will need to push in the locking pin and remove from the brackets. Remove the plunger end and rotate the stop wheel back to the top of the spring. Reinsert the spring back into the barrel and continue with steps 1 to 7.